Let me show you a simplistic sample flip in under 3 minutes. I was watching Ninja Terminator and then I heard this. This song is by Logic System titled Metamorphism, so my beatmaker sense kicked in and told me to flip that sample. This is the part I used, but I feel it was a bit too fast, so I slowed it down. I decreased the tempo by stretching the sample and lowered the pitch by 100 cents. I also wanted vocals, so I used this vocal phrase from Cymatics.
Out of all the melodies, oh, you're the sweetest love song.
But I had to make the vocals fit musically with the sample, so I chopped it up, rearranged the slices and changed the pitch as well. So now it sounds like this.
Out of all the melodies, you're the sweetest love.
I added the simple bass line which follows the same notes of the main melody. With the sample and vocals, it sounds like this.
Out of all the melodies, you're the sweetest love.
Then I added this hi-hat loop to add some extra rhythm to the beat.
Out of all the melodies, you're the sweetest love.
To finish off, I just came up with a simple drum pattern, and with the drums added, now the sample with vocals, bass and hi-hats, we have this.
Out of all the melodies, you're the sweetest love. Out of all the melodies, you're the sweetest love.
If you like this type of content, please support the channel and hit the like and subscribe button. And check out this playlist for more cool sample flips.